Then came September 11th, 2010. After a night of partying with friends, I locked myself in a hotel bathroom. I had a Ziploc bag full of cocaine in front of me, and I thought, that was it. I looked up to God and said the last prayer I ever expected to say. God, if you're real, God, if you're really real, reveal yourself to me. I bent down to snort the pile of cocaine, and out of nowhere I sneezed. I blew the entire amount of cocaine off the counter. And then in silence, I heard a voice. Jared, I have a bright and rich future for you, but you must completely surrender yourself to me. That moment didn't just stop me, it saved me. And not because I found a church, not because I got religious, not because I cleaned myself up. It's because hope walked into my hotel bathroom. That was the moment I realized Jesus wasn't just a name. He wasn't a story. He wasn't a rule book. He wasn't a religion. He was real.